Meanwhile, well, here we are, dude. Subway. Wow! Hopefully these subs are really good. Yeah, totally. I heard those sandwiches are really good. Shall we get inside and go get one? Yeah, totally. Well, let's go in and get one. Alright, Dollface, I'm right behind you. Welcome to Subway. May I take your order? Frenchie? Oh, hello, Sunset, Duncan, and Owen. What are you doing here? Yeah, dude, I thought you was eliminated. Well, um, I decided to go to work. So, I asked Don and Gangod say if I get a job. So, I asked them if I can have a job. So, he gave me this job. Whoa! I didn't know you could do that, Frenchie. Yeah, because this is my job. And I can also make my French sub sandwiches. Dude, I didn't know you work here. Well, now you know now. Since ago, I was just working so hard after I was eliminated because that little George of the jungle just kissed Harleen. That makes me really jealous for that. Dude, you should have seen Opie. He got jealous because of Katazuki. Oh, yeah. A little warning for her. So, what can I get you? Hey French, can I try one of your French sub sandwiches? Oh, so you want some French sub sandwiches? Yeah, dude. I want to try one of them. Okay. How many do you want? Well, maybe just, plenty enough for my tummy. How about I give you 5? 5? Yeah, 5. I mean, I can make you one. I've been learning it at home. Okay, dude. Alright. First 5 French sub sandwiches. That'll be $10. $10? Whoa. $10 for those French sub sandwiches? Yeah. Um, that's good for that, isn't it? Yeah, dude. That that sounds good. Here you go, French. Thank you. Now I can make you. Now, Owen, I can make you some French sub sandwiches. And what about you two? Um, hmm, um, let me see here. Um, can I have one of those? Can I have one of those sandwiches that um yeah, I'll have one too. All right. For 2 of you, um that'll be $1.50. $1.50? Yeah. For 2 of you and your buddy Owen just ordered 5 French toast sandwiches. So, for you two, that'll be 150. Dude, that is so cool. Here you go, French. $1.50. Thank you, Sunset. Now, your sandwich will be here ready in no time. Dude, I've always wanted to come here. Yeah, when French around, he's so cool. Yeah, I hope he gets it ready on time. All right, just a minute, you three. All right, French toast sandwiches. That could go first. Okay, okay, that one right there. That one goes right there, and okay, add that a little bit right there. Okay, okay, that one right there, and good. Okay, one down, one. Only four more to go. Okay, that right there. All right, right there. All right, two down, three more to go. Okay. All right, that one right there. And that one goes right there and right there. All right, friends. Okay, right there, and done. Okay. Here you go, Owen. I got you a shopping cart just in case you need them for your French toast sandwiches. Your French toast sandwiches are in the cart. Wow! Thanks, French. You're welcome. And your two's order will be ready just a second. All right. Okay. Hold on a second. Okay. Okay. That one goes right there, and okay. Duncan wants okay. Okay. Right there, and right there. Okay. Okay. Let's do sunsets, and okay. That one goes right there, and all right, and goes right there, and finish. All right. Here you go, you two. Thank you, French. No problem. Come again any day. Maybe so we can come and hang out and talk. Dude, that would be so awesome. Come again soon, you guys. And Owen, stay cool. Yes, French. You three have a wonderful day. You too, French. You too. Okay, right there, and right there. I guess I can make myself a sandwich.